Hello everyone, how is it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own AI agent. So if you're in a situation where you're repeating tasks over and over again, something that can be automated by AI, this is the video for you. I'm just going to show you very quickly how to create your own AI agent without going into extreme details or creating a very complex system. This is going to be a very basic how-to, right? So if you're looking for more complex systems where there's many layers to the AI agent, those videos are going to come later on, and there's a lot of videos for that on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So first and foremost, the tool or platform that I will be using is n8n. So this platform is absolutely fantastic for those that want to build stuff but don't have the coding experience. So it's what you call like a no-code building platform. You just kind of put, just like Lego, you put the pieces together, and then in the end, obviously you have your working product. So you don't have to do the coding, you don't need to know JavaScript or Python or anything like that. You just need to have the basic understanding of how to put these pieces together. So first and foremost, you want to go to n8n.com and you can sign up for a free tier account, and with that you can create your first AI agent. In terms of hosting, you can host all your systems and configurations on n8n, or you can go external. There's different platforms where you can connect, different hosting platforms that you can use to connect to n8n, where it can be hosted externally or on the. I personally use n8n Cloud, so I'm paying for the paid service. I find it very useful, very easy, very seamless. Because myself, I'm not a very technical person, so for me, I want the kind of most seamless, easiest option that can just allow me to build the AI agents. After you've done that, you want to select new workflow, and this will take you to this page right here. Okay, so first step, we want to add a trigger manually. Okay, so the trigger is going to be the chat, built-in chat that they've got available here. Let me just take that out of the way. My apologies. So the trigger will be the on-chat message. As I said, this will be the built-in chat that n8n have on the platform that you can use for testing. It doesn't require any configuration, you just add it as a trigger. And just to give you a bit more context or understanding, the trigger, any kind of system or AI agent needs a trigger. Sometimes it's a WhatsApp message, sometimes a text message, or it can be anything else, an email that lands in an inbox, something that triggers the start of the system. So in this case, it will be an on-chat message. As you can see, I've got to open it at the bottom, so you just chat to it, hey, and then you have the green tick. Just minimize my face. Bottom. You've got the green tick showing that the trigger was successful. Something input, came in, and you've got the one item, which is the message, hey. Following that, you need to add the actual artificial intelligence and the AI agent itself. So in here, you'll add all the configurations. You'll add the role of the AI agent. Is it going to be a helpful assistant? Is it going to be a personal trainer? You've got to give it a role. So this is where you would make those amendments and configurations. So to do that, we want to add a system message. So what we'll do is your health assistant, to a solopreneur and small business owner. Okay, so the source for prompt in this case will be the connected trigger node, as in the on-chat trigger node. Other times it's a WhatsApp message. Other times it's it could be a text message or an email. These things change depending on the input. So that's fine, we don't need to make any changes. It's going to be very basic AI agent. Okay, so you can think of the AI agent kind of like the HQ where commands go out, you set the strategy, the plan, and then you get the equivalent of Grok, OpenAI or ChatGPT. That's the kind of the muscle, the brain that does the work. So that's what we're going to add now, the chat model. So we're going to add OpenAI, nice and easy. Again, we don't need to add anything, any built-in tools, but we can add a couple of things to it. But we're not going to add anything. ChatGPT 4.1 mini, very efficient. So we'll just add that. Next thing is a memory tool. This is going to remember the conversation between the chat trigger and the AI agent. You can increase its context window length, meaning how long a conversation, how much it can remember. We'll leave it at 5. Nothing needs to change there. And then the tool, we can get it to maybe send an email out, maybe send a text message, a WhatsApp message. It's various tools that you can add. As you can see, there's a very large list of things that you can do. You can add different storage options. There's a lot of things you can add, but we'll leave that for now. Okay. So that's configured successfully. We've set the system message. So let's test it out, see if it works. Hi, how are you? Okay, so operating, it thought about it, saved the conversation in memory, and then responded, hello, I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How can I assist you with your business or project today? So obviously its role is to assist, to be a helpful assistant to a small business owner or a solopreneur. Okay, so I need help with my invoicing. Okay, if I can spell invoicing. Okay, let's see what it says. I'm happy to help with invoicing. Please tell me a bit more about what you need. For example, are you looking to create invoices from scratch? You need a template, blah, blah, blah. So you can see the assistance it's given me. This is a very basic version that I created just for the video, just show you how to create your AI agent and that the possibilities are endless. Now, obviously, if this was going to be a proper AI agent for someone, it had to be much more streamlined. The structure would have to be a lot clearer. The output, everything else would have to be a lot clearer so that the output that it gives me back is going to help me with my business. So that'll be all for today. Hopefully you got some value from that. If you did, give me a follow, give me a like, drop a comment, all that good stuff. You know what to do. All right, take care. Peace.